This is going to be a video tutorial on how to find what version of Word you are using. Let me jump over to Microsoft Word here. Okay, I've got Microsoft Word opened up here. I'm just going to open a blank document here. I'm using Microsoft Word 365, but to see what version of Word that you are using, what you want to do is go up to the File tab, click on it. Then you'll go all the way down the left-hand pane here to where you see it says Account, and click on that. And then right in this area right here, you'll see what version of Word that you are using. Like I said, I'm using Microsoft 365, but it will tell you right in this area what version of Word you are using. That's how you find out what version of Word that you are using. Thanks for watching.